So, some of you guys are probably asking yourselves, like, why does he stress so much about doing on foots? Why don't he just do them at home? Because I don't like to, and I don't want to have to set up a studio just to do these on foots. You know what I'm saying? That's what every other YouTuber does. And if you guys have been watching my stuff, you probably figured out I'm not like these other YouTubers that do that kind of thing. It's just a pain to kind of film sometimes, but love these. Love these, love these, love these, love these. And these kind of like, I don't know, you know, they doubled up on some parts right here. You can tell, like they do crease. You can see, I've had this shoe for 2 weeks and it has been creasing. So, well, not right, damn, I just put a new crease point, but more right here where I step. I don't step like this, I step like in this area, but you can see a crease, and now we have a new crease. But these are dope. They fit a lot smaller too. I should have went up a half size. It's a 9.5. I should have got a 10 straight up. Oh, Comac, you ask? Comac has like a girlfriend or something right now. And typically, when Comac gets a girlfriend or get like, excuse me, when Comac gets like in a relationship or something like that, it's like he's gone. I don't see him. He calls me every now and then just to brag about it. You know, I love Comac though. Shout out to Comac. Everything's been good though. Everything's been good, you know. But that's it, guys. I think we caught up enough. Let's just go to the next destination. Yeah. All right. This will do. This will do. You guys can't see it, but this is gonna work for 2 seconds. Just for a little bit. Yes, and that's Homage on the beats, man. I love that dude's beats, man. He's making my job so much easier. But today we have the Gray Fogs, and these are rumored to be released in April. So from the filming of this video, we're looking at 225. We're looking at about a month away. So if they do release, here is a early release. We have the Raisin and the Sun dude. Someone told me last video. He's also on the paper. So expect these to be releasing soon, and I think they're dope. Union always has like this kind of patchwork, bespoke type of style, which I really love. And I think low-key they were inspiring Virgil when he was still alive. But unfortunately he's not here. But the materials, they always do this double type of material, which kind of puts the shoe in a premium class. They always kind of use like this patchwork type of thing, and it's always different, and it's always dope. Like they don't just, you know, cut things off the shoe and that sort of thing. They actually add to the shoe, and I love it. And I always say with the Unions, go a half size up, because when I go true to size, they always seem to be a little too small. And I love how they did the tongue on these. It's like, it is the, you know, raw tongue, but it's like this really nice leather behind it in front. It's just really good, man. They give you the, like, all of their collabs always have this just kind of feel of quality. I love it. So shout out to Union. And this is a pair I probably will not hit on any kind of shock drops or on their website. They normally release them, and I'm cool with these. So shout out to the gifter. Follow me on IG for all that information and stuff. But just look at these, man. These are solid. They're really solid. And with the twos, I always feel like the twos kind of like a boot sneaker, and I just want to wear them all the time. If you've seen the last video, that's probably my favorite pair of twos ever, and I might just paint over that Michael Jordan signature because I hate it. It's cool they put the 9.5 on there. I don't know if that's on my retail pair. Not retail pair of these, but the white and reds. Watch the last video. You got the traditional gold laces with the Unions. I'll probably go with these bluish grayish laces. There's also a tan colorway that's coming too, so gifters, you know, go ahead and send that one as well. But the tan ones are dope too. So we'll just have to see about that. But let's go ahead and look at these under the black light and see what we find. And whoa, yeah, there's some things on here. There's leading lines, there's stitching, and sometimes these markings aren't always bad. Like there's stitching lines on a lot of shoes. It doesn't mean that because they're showing it's an issue. It's more those pluses and minuses in the dotted areas, not really the actual stitching. It's just those dotted areas, which it is actually a lot of, but I mean, who cares? Yep, see, that's the cross of death, people call it, but it is what it is, man. Jordan 2s, what is it, Gray Fog? Yeah, peace and love.